Hi, welcome back to another one of my episodes. I'm going to keep this one short and sweet, as a few of mine have been, a little on the long side. But I figured this would be a good one to make, being that I'm right in the middle of my server series. Not everybody has got the time or the money to build their own server, let alone maybe buy one. So, a very easy and happy alternative if you're looking for server ability is you can buy a portable hard drive, or it doesn't even have to be a portable hard drive. You can get a regular hard drive and get a portable kit for it, and you can actually plug this thing into your router and use it just like a server and allow all the computers connected to that network to have access to that hard drive. Now stay tuned. I'll show you how to get it done so that way you can have server-like abilities on your Wi-Fi router. Back before I actually took the time to build my server, I had my system set up just like this, where I had a portable hard drive plugged directly into my Wi-Fi. It's an extremely easy process, and it takes no time at all to get it set up. It's just literally just a plug-in of the USB like it would be at your computer. So within this video, as you can see here, there is my portable hard drive and the router that we're going to be using. There is the USB, which is a 3.0. You'll notice from the blue tag. You just plug it in. That's all that it takes. Once you're done with that, go ahead and open up your File Explorer, and you can get into where your search icon is at. Once you've done that, you can hit backslash 192.168.1.1. This is the home IP address for your router. If you're lucky enough like me, sometimes it'll work just right off the bat. If you've recently logged into your Wi-Fi, your router, sometimes it'll let you just get right in and see, there's all my files. Everything's right there on the hard drive. If for some odd reason it does not let you just plug in the IP address and just open that up and it just works, here's the actual workaround. So instead of using the backslash with the address to get you into where the router is at, what we're going to do is actually use forward slash with that 192.168.1.1 to get you to log into the router. Once you get that done and put in, then you'll get access to setting it up. It will open up the actual login on the web page to get into your router. If you look on the back side of your router, there should be a login for it. Almost all of them should say admin, at least for Netgear it is, should say admin. If not, please note the bottom of your router. But it'll also state what the password is as well. Most of the time, it's just password for the password. I know. Really good, isn't it? So I highly recommend, once you log in, to change the password, because you do not want to make it that easy to hack the system. Don't make it easier for people to get into your system and mess with your stuff. So once you've done that, you've put in the information. This is about what the average login for a Netgear router will look like. Very straightforward, not hard to use. It'll give you all the information, and right there, Ready Share is what we're going to be getting into. That is what we need to access to make sure that your new hard drive you plugged in is working and it is being seen. And down there it says available network folders with shared name. That is the actual name for the hard drive, where it says Ready Share USB storage. That is the actual hard drive that's being plugged in. It'll tell you the total space and the free space, just like if it was part of a drive in the computer. Now, once you have logged in, it should unlock the ability to you to access it through your File Explorer. So you use the backslash again with the address to get in this time. And this time, after you've logged in through your router, it should allow you to get access to the hard drive. Now, you can grab this and move it to your desktop and then map the drive. What this will allow is it will make it so that way the computer actually sees it as an actual drive that would be part of the computer, like your C drive. That's, once you map it, that's exactly how the system will see it. And as you can tell, I already have it set up. That's why it's already given the address, and here's the notice saying that it is already connected. But I highly recommend that you do that. Because once it's mapped, every time you click on it from your desktop, you will be taken directly to that hard drive, regardless of what computer that you're on. Just repeat the steps that we did in this video, and you can open it up, put that icon up on any desktop that's connected to your Wi-Fi, and you will have access to that hard drive, no matter what computer you're on. And I'll tell you what, when you got computers in different rooms, it's extremely handy. Now, if you really want to get clever with it, you can do what I'm showing here by changing the icon. You can change the icon to anything that you want, since it's a folder that you've created. Some companies don't let you do that sometimes, but you can choose any icon you want and then give it a name. And voila, there it is. Now every time you click on it, you will have all that extra space to be shared across any computer that's connected to your network. Isn't that awesome? I think that's really cool. And no more having to mess with USBs or thumb drives or nothing if you have to share between multiple computers. This is my actual server named Central. I have it opened up to just show you real quick what it'd be like to open it up. And there it is down there, general storage. When it's mapped, it's also right there. So if you have to upload or download files off of the internet, it's super easy just to click on it right there. It is mapped as if it's a drive on the computer, so it's right there, super fast and easy to find. So there it is. There you have it. There's the quick down and dirty on how to set up a mobile hard drive, or any hard drive for that matter, and connect it to your Wi-Fi so you can have access to it through all of your computers. If you liked what I did, please give me a like, a subscribe, a thumbs up, a comment, something. Let me know I'm heading in the right direction with these videos. I want to keep on doing them, but I also want to make sure that I'm keeping everybody happy. So again, like, subscribe, let me know what's going on, and I'll see you in the next video.